Hello. I don't know why am I doing that. Each time when I'm like pretending to be somewhat psycho, I'm always on the track of mimicking the type of deal. I wasn't preparing for this video, so it's going to be a complete trash. Unless you're a true, passionate subscriber of mine, I definitely wouldn't recommend to check on this. But if you already clicked on it, okay, don't swipe away, please. I need you for my YouTube analytics. I need you. Let's be serious. I need you. Even though I'm not yet benefiting in any way from being your content creator. I'm not a YouTube partner yet. What is it all about? And where we going with this one? I had a poll yesterday asking you guys to choose the trajectory we are moving towards with the entire brand of mine, right? And two of you just kind of intervened in a good way speaking, wishing me to basically start producing a long-form content. And I'm all ears. I'm fully ready to cover any themes that you I'm more than ready to cover every single aspect of your dreams. Sorry for these bollocks. Anyways, without further nonsense to do in this video, I'm just gonna go straight away for the first time in my life. Kidding. And just announced that the next video is going to be Q&A, and that's 100% legit info. So make sure to drop some thoughts, some like it better be questioning. Any questions you can think of about me, whatever, pronouncing your thoughts aloud. That wasn't me, by the way. Sneezing. So embarrassing. Sorry. And I promise to answer respectfully in my manner. Respectfully. I'm not that bad of a guy, so, I'm not like going crazy or carried away. Cheers. I love you all. I love you all.